You joking? Rob, whoa, private property, mate. We can't do this. Every time we see private property now, it's like we can't go in. Babe, stay on this pathway.
Oh, I'm stuck.
You're fine. Right, guys, we've come to watch for a beautiful jetty. Jade's got a new boyfriend. It's okay, I don't mind.
Yeah, me.
Wow, 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 wow. Come to watch Littlebrook Tower be blown up. Cheers. Rob, you see that tower over there? Click. Completed, mate. Yeah, this is a. Yeah, I know, guys. We knew people were going to be up on this thing. We were sent last night, and babe, stand on the edge. Yeah, we knew people were going to be on this, so we've come here, scoped it out. I'm sure the locals know it, so. But better people here. We're going to have the best view of this tower getting blown, guys. Look. Jeez. Let's do this. You do this. Film it. Film it. What do you reckon?
Your fat head is right in the way.
Do this. That should, I reckon that'd be minute warning, I would have thought. Or it could be 5-minute warning.
I just film it so it doesn't go like weird on Facebook and that, is it? Like this.
Should be a minute warning, right?
Yeah.
I'm never going to climb that tower again. That's how upsetting this is. Rob, do you want to pick one up? 20 minutes to get up there. I don't know how to zoom in on the base, because they've got explosives on the base, haven't they? Yeah. Oh, I wonder if they put them any higher than 6th floor, because they were 6th floor, weren't they? That's it.
Oh, fuck.
Woo. Fuck me. I ain't climbing that no more, mate.
My god, I actually felt my heart like extra pump that fucking.
That was big boom.
It's like I was having a bloody speaker. You know what though? I'm so glad this jetty didn't collapse with that fucking little mini earthquake.
Oi, Rob. That top went first, 6th floor, didn't it? So that must have dropped it, and then they dropped the bottom to make it basically crumble on itself.
Well, that police boat is fucking right spot. The smoke's going around it. Oh, I'm so upset.
I'm really upset too. Rob, you upset?
Do you know what though? I wonder if they still would have blown that up if the MP was still chained to it.
That's naughty. Oh, fuck.
We left a fucking priest on there.
Yeah, well, guess what, babe? I didn't fucking see it.
What, did you get it on camera?
Nope.
Oh, okay. Look, there's another one. You didn't fucking tell me.
Right, guys, we're going to see the rubble of Littlebrook Chimney again. Ah.
Look at the camera again.
What?
Look.
I love how it just stops to look at us.
Guys, the camera follows us every time we come down this path.
Follow us around. That's what's doing last night.
Right guys, yeah, so we're going to see the rubble. I'm with Jade,
Yes.
Rob and our newfound friend Andy. Apparently he's homosexual, which isn't a problem. We like homosexuals here at UrbeXUntold. We get to hold hands under a cubicle. But yeah, so let's go and see this rubble and see if we can wind up the security guards. Because you know, kind of climbed it twice. What? I know. Guys, it's gone. Look at that. It's crazy to think that that's... Oh, look at the cherry picker! They didn't expect that, did they? Unlucky! Guys, they didn't expect that. The cherry picker got crushed. Oh my god, Rob! Rob! Look at the gas bottles just behind it. Do you reckon their demolition went to plan? Because I don't.
I still got to break up that there.
What? Oh yeah.
There's no one on side. Go in.
Yeah, Rob, should we go in? They thought they'd try and hide it. Yeah, look, tried to hide the shit and it's fucked. Goodbye, JMS Cherry Picker Hire. Oi,
Shit.
babe, you taking me photos? or
Someone's
not?
getting a bill.
Shit, yeah. I didn't
Take
see that
it.
bit though, the actual picker bit.
Huh?
The actual basket for the tank.
Nothing else supposed to happen. What else is under there?
Right, guys, be careful around here because we will get fucked hard by this.
Oh my god.
Oh, we're fucked.
No, man.
Oh, there's a camera up there, what about that?
Who cares?
Huh?
Get your running shoes on.
Yes, I got them on, but I don't know how to get them.
They can't take those away.
No. Look at that, got crushed. Yo, do you reckon the camera works?
Security from that ad, innit?
I was about to say, yeah, I'll take some around it.
Huh? Where? I'm pretty sure they're gone. Look at it, guys.
Okay, it's literally falling down. It's actually ripped away from there.
No way. Well, we need so much shit for being here. What do you reckon? Can you imagine if they like if they have to do a final detonation or something?
Go round the building the other way. Yeah.
No.
Just run round the building. Yeah, because then when you come out there,
This building is leaning. This building is leaning. Ah.
that's the top of the chimney.
Yeah. Oh, that is well. Oh my god, my banner's still there. I was wondering what the fuck it was, Jade.
Right there, police dog you.
Is it?
Right there, look. You see it?
Yeah. He's gonna walk on here, look.
He's there. He's right there with the dog. Right there.
Guys. He's gonna see us from here, you know. You're gonna see us from here. We need to get going.
We'll get out of there.
Shit, careful, careful.
Yeah, but he'll recognise us. And it's unnecessary searching.
Yeah? Oh, that's fine.
Yeah.
Is he? I can get a picture of that. Oh yeah? I'll try. Guys, a security car. My nose is freezing, bub. Yeah. Is he there? Where is he? Is he? Yeah. Guys, we don't put a look on the site because we're naughty like that. I just walked up somewhere behind there. Dog unit. So yeah, fun times, but this has been Littlebrook. Rest in peace. Peace.